with hot weather need to relax. Put on the mini water DC USB air conditioner on. I was thinking of moving the big one into the bedroom. It's too damn warm. Quit moaning, quit whining. Mr. Magic is relaxing. I'm telling him to relax. Of course, he's laying against me. He's putting extra warmth on me, and I'm putting extra warmth on him. But he's okay. He's relaxed. But yeah, it's really. Oh gosh, you just got to drink plenty of water, plenty of fluid. Just trying to think what is a good refreshing drink. Refreshing, mouth-watering for the first. I think there's some nice drinks out there you can make, or you can buy pre-done. I thought maybe I'd try chilled Diet Coke last night. Don't usually drink it. With a slice of lemon in it, in the glass. Yeah, so I've got to go over and get another bottle. So I'm almost finished. Get some more lemons. Because it's nice with a slice of lemon. Or take a lemon, just slice it up and put it in the, try to get Magic and Bear and to drink water from the fountain. They're not touching it much. But then I add extra water to the wet food, so they're lapping up. They're getting intake. Oh! He's licking. He's licking. Oh, now he's on the move. Yeah, he's on the move. Oh yeah, on the move. Got to find a spot, Magic. Eh? Find a spot where it's cool. Yeah.